What does Twitter stand for? Does anybody know?
What does Twitter stand for? What does Twitter stand for?
What does Twitter stand for? Time wasted in tracking tiny egotistical rants.
Does it help to know other things, like their interests, the college that they went to? I tell you, when I interviewed for the contract that I have right now, I saw that the guy that I was interviewing with, I looked him up on LinkedIn, he went to Cornell. I went to Cornell for 2 years. It's one of the things I talked to him about. All right? For other people, you may look up interests. See if someone's interested in baseball. See if they're interested in golf. And if you're doing sales or business development, maybe that's one of the things you break ground with. If you know LinkedIn, you have that edge that someone else might not have.